In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to favorite sounds on CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save the audio you love, so you can find it fast in future edits. First, open CapCut on your device. You can do this on mobile or on the desktop editor. The process is the same. If you're already working inside a project, great. If not, you can simply open the app and head into any project where you can access the editing tools. The key is to be in the editor view so the audio options are available. Next, look for the audio button. On mobile, you'll typically see it along the bottom toolbar. On desktop, it's usually in the top or side panel. Tap or click Audio to open CapCut's sound library. This is where you'll find categories like trending tracks, recommended sounds, sound effects, and more. Take a moment to browse, or use the search bar to look up a specific song or keyword if you already have something in mind. Now, choose any sound you want to save for later and click the star icon next to it. You can tap on the track to preview it before you favorite it, which is helpful to make sure it's the vibe you're going for. When you tap the star, it should fill in or highlight, confirming that the sound has been added to your favorites. Favoriting a sound doesn't automatically add it to your timeline. It simply bookmarks it so you can grab it quickly in future projects without searching again. To check that it worked, go to the Favorites section inside the audio panel. You'll see a dedicated Favorites tab or filter where all your starred sounds are collected. Open that section, and the track you just starred should appear there. If it doesn't show up immediately, give it a moment. It usually updates quickly. From here, you can preview your saved sounds, add any of them to your current project when you're ready, and even unfavorite a track by tapping the star again if you change your mind. That's all there is to it. Favoriting sounds is a simple habit that saves a lot of time, especially if you edit frequently or like to maintain a consistent audio style across your videos. Consider favoriting a few tracks for different moods, upbeat, chill, cinematic, so you always have reliable options a tap away. Thanks for watching, and happy editing in CapCut.